Dust is one of the most common hazards in construction, manufacturing, and general industry. Even low levels of dust exposure can irritate the lungs and cause long-term health problems if ignored. While respirators are required for major hazards, workers can also wear dust masks, voluntarily, for minor exposures. This course teaches you how to choose, use, and care for dust masks properly, because even voluntary protection can make a big difference. Respirators fall into two main categories: atmosphere-supplying respirators. These provide clean air from tanks or airlines and are used in oxygen-deficient or toxic environments. Air-purifying respirators, APRs. These filter out contaminants as you breathe. Dust masks and filtering, face-piece respirators known as FFRs, belong to the air-purifying type. They filter dust, but don't protect against gases, vapors, or fumes. A dust mask offers basic comfort against nuisance dusts. It's lightweight and often has a single strap. An N95 respirator provides a tighter seal and filters at least 95% of airborne particles. Look for markings like N95 or KN95. These indicate that the mask meets tested safety standards. If you're in an area with serious hazards like silica or lead dust, respirators are mandatory, not voluntary. You can wear a dust mask voluntarily for light, non-toxic dust exposures like when sanding, sweeping, or mowing. Make sure your mask fits well and is clean, dry, and designed specifically for dust protection. Dust masks are not suitable for toxic or oxygen-deficient environments. Always check with your supervisor if you're unsure which type of protection you need. For your mask to work effectively, use both straps and position them above and below your ears. Mold the nosepiece to seal the mask tightly. Replace it if it becomes damp, dirty, or damaged. Stop using it immediately if you feel dizzy or short of breath. People with existing heart or lung problems should consult a doctor before wearing tight-fitting masks. Store masks in a clean, dry place away from sunlight, chemicals, and dust. Always inspect before use. Make sure straps, nosepieces, and valves are intact. Once a mask is damaged or hard to breathe through, discard it safely. Wearing a dust mask voluntarily may seem like a small step, but it's a powerful way to protect your health. Knowing how to select, fit, and maintain your mask helps you breathe easier and work safer. Enroll now in the Dust Mask, Voluntary Use Guidelines, U.S. course from OSHA Education School, and take charge of your respiratory safety today.